Welcome back, peeps. My name is Chad Wilson from Simple Cloudware, and today we are launching our courses. Now, this was a monumental shift in our initial intention from creating tutorials and then driving people to our website by them actually using these tutorials. What we found out by building 20 tutorials is that people are interested in the information. They watch the intro and they watch the preview, and then as soon as I would say, let's get started, then it was like 100% of the people would drop out of the video. And this really created some confusion for us, because how are we going to use this to help generate sales and a community when people were completely dropping out of the information that we wanted to offer? We set this up that we were going to iterate, do 10 videos, check to see what we needed to learn and what we needed to change. And then we did our second 10 after all of our modifications and seen the exact same pattern. So then we knew we had to course correct again. And so with a little bit of research and soul searching, we decided to go bigger and take those 20 videos, reconfigure them, and create 2 courses. So our marketing is evolving. It went from having a website and then creating tutorials on YouTube to having a giveaway, and then after the giveaway is over, we are going to offer them a free coupon for our JumpStart. And then from the JumpStart, we're going to offer them a discount on the course. And then we are hoping after their course, they are going to like our product so much that they're actually going to sign up for Simple Cloudware, which is the ultimate goal. Then you ask the question, what about YouTube? Well, what we're starting to see is YouTube is about you. So we're converting over from tutorials, which didn't do well, to describing our journey and each and every step and the successes and failures and what we're doing to attempt to make sale number 1 on Simple Cloudware. And there's also an element to actually building an email list, is you can start talking to them as a community. So we have an email list that we can send newsletters to, we can give them free offers, we can point them to Discord and to YouTube to start a conversation. So how did we create 2 courses and a JumpStart? Well, at first it was a little overwhelming, but what we did is we looked at all the videos that we had created so far, and about 12 of them were applicable when we rearranged them to create 2 courses, one that was AWS focused and one that was Azure focused. So we went back, slice and dice those videos to make them more course friendly and kind of cut all the YouTube stuff out of them, and then recorded another 6 videos to fill out an actual course. Plus there's the intros and the recaps and the explanations that we included also. So we took all of these new videos and then we signed up for Teachable. And Teachable is a platform that gives you control of your content, which is different than other platforms in which you're not allowed to create your own relationship with the particular students. So we wanted to keep control of everything that we were creating because we have a goal of, 1, creating a community that's outside of a platform. So we have Discord, we have YouTube, we have the website, we have email. We want to connect to our community in every way to help support them so they can help support, all the other students and just all work together to create something awesome. And Teachable gave us the ability to do such a thing because we can just set it up the way we would like it. We can add our own content, we can add our own files, and in the text, we can say whatever we would like. We can say, hop over to Discord to get your questions answered. Download this file that points at our API. Here is the secret that you're going to need to create a token. Go to this URL to actually do it. So all of these pieces are all integrated to help support an individual that has a dream app take that from I don't know anything, I don't even have the software, to actually getting into the cloud and everything installed, to then layer upon layer building up their app until they reach an MVP. So what is our desired results? By having this course, one, we would like to teach people how to program. So there's so many times that I've been asked, hey, do you know someone that knows how to create an application? And then the next question is, how much is it going to cost? And usually they have a really great idea, but the cost and the actual finding a crew to put this together is absolutely prohibitive. What we're doing is we're giving that person that has that great idea a step-by-step set of instructions and the community support to get their app into production. Now, it could be intimidating at first, but I think if we all work together and we have the community and we answer the questions and we refine the JumpStart and the courses with every piece of information that we get, we can take individuals that have a desire to actually having an application that they built on their own and getting it out there. And of course, our hope at Simple Cloudware is that our API helps initial app development go faster by solving all the common and mundane coding issues that a person would have so they could focus on the features that they'll actually sell. So we're going to do things like account, login, usage, toggling, logging, pinging, everything that you would either use a third party for or has been designed 100 times before. We want to have that set up and ready for these individuals, and then have the front end and the middle tier examples built out so they can leapfrog off of this technology to get in those features, content, social interactions that they're thinking about into their application. Keep your head in the cloud.